Janet the bird, love that. I love when Janet become bird. Oh my god. When are you starting Zelda? Probably after these 2 videos, I'll start. Okay, here we go.
222-688
just happened?
What's that?
Have you guys seen that edited clip of like Janet says like a sound and then somebody actually put a bird right after? Yes, the crow one!
No, we don't know what she's talking about.
It's so funny! Oh my god.
I see Janet the bird. Janet the bird.
Oh my god, he's watching it.
First of all, IMG, thank you so much. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful birthday. Also, Zero, my mods don't really time people out. It might be Nightbot. Sometimes Nightbot might time people out for too many characters used or spam. And also, Raphael, anyways.
No way.
He had a...
How is she doing that?
Wait.
I think we should have a...
Wait. Is this... Did someone take Janet's bird sounds and then, I don't understand. What is this clip? That is Janet? I missed something. I was reading chat earlier.
Watching it.
No way.
He had a...
How is she doing that?
I think we should have HR.
I love it!
And I would like to file a complaint.
Wow. Wow.
Whoa, this is the best thing I've seen in a long time. It's so accurate.
I have to see the whole video right now. Janet as bird. Oh my god. Oh my god! This was uploaded 4 years ago? No way. 4 years ago, Choco Bird strikes. No way. Wow. I can't believe the bullet sounds. Oh my god. Dude. Do you guys believe in reincarnation? What if? Never mind. What is that bird doing? Bro. Like, you know, okay, a lot of birds do mating calls. This bird is trying to get it, you know what I mean? Yeah, he dancing. Yeah, okay, yeah. I know he dancing. But I'm just curious, what happened in evolution that made female birds attracted to this? Like, what are you looking for in this man?
Chickens don't fly.
Wow, they're flying everywhere! What do I do? Oh my gosh. That was wonderful. I love that.
That's like one of the best things I've ever seen. I have tears. I have tears.
Jenny is so
The best.
funny.
Amazing!
That was...
There's 2 people. Chocobars and Fuslie. These 2 girls are always accidentally hilarious all the time. They are never, they don't have to try to be funny. They're just freaking funny for no reason all the time. I love them.
So good.
I might start my stream every morning.
No, Ryan!
So cute.
Because like Anita's like, wow, you're such a boomer. You don't use find my. That's not how she sounds, by the way.
It really seemed like that's how she sounds, Peter.
I'm telling Anita.
How she sounds.
We're telling Anita.
Women, am I right, fellas?
Yeah, dab me up, Peter. Dab me up.
Do you guys know that I got catcalled when I was 10 years old by a man?
What? Told me that. I remember that was like a very like
what?
Like Elon Musk still has his check mark. Yours says you paid for Twitter Blue. Wait, does it? Huh? No. No! I've become a nobody. Beyonce lost hers. Wait, what?
Wait.
Not Beyonce.
Wait, what does mine say? What is... Oh, let's go! This account is verified, period. Dude, I was really annoyed before I posted it somewhere. Oh, here it is. Before I used to say this. This account is verified because they are subscribed to Twitter Blue and verified their phone number. Bish, I didn't do either of those things. Okay? I had not done either of those. That Twitter is lying. See, the reason why this is really annoying is because maybe there's a bystander that, you know, is like, wow, Rae, I think Rae is cool. And then they go and they see this and they're like, oh my gosh, Rae, super cool streamer. Since she paid for Twitter Blue and verified her phone number, I'm gonna do the same thing. No. See, I don't condone this. Yeah, don't, just ignore Hassan. Okay, anyways.
Where's your check mark, Beyonce?
Guys, I'm naked.
Let me see.
See.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Speaking of naked, I tweeted earlier today that I said this. I said, is anybody else's For You feed on Twitter just violence and boobs? Yes, I understand that it is kind of a self-report, but I'm not joking. My For You page on Twitter is literally booba after booba after booba of all these beautiful girls. And it's probably because, you know, I follow a lot of beautiful girls that just have massive boobs. But the violence part is triggering. Like, I actually don't, I see people get straight up murdered, okay? I saw a shark skin, or not a shark, I saw a bear literally skin a salmon. Did you guys see that same video? This bear straight up caught a salmon. The fish is so alive. It is very, very much so alive. And he rips the skin off of this fish and you can see the pain on this fish. Like that fish was visibly in pain. But those are the kind of videos I see. I see other animals eating other animals. And I saw like a Komodo dragon ripping the guts out of an antelope that was still alive. And the antelope was like, ugh, like his tongue stuck out, like he was in so much pain. Like I see videos like that. I see people getting robbed. I see people getting shot, like straight up people fist fighting on my Twitter page. So I'll see like boobs and I'm like, oh, that's nice. Thanks for a boob. And then the next one is like someone dying and it's like, oh shit, that's awful. And then I see like a cute video of like a cat and I'm like, oh, that's really nice. And then I see like mass war highlight or something. And I'm like, oh shit, that's awful. It's a roller coaster. Really, really awful. But yeah, that's my For You page on Twitter right now.
Oh. I'm scared. Stop.
Yeah, I should click not interested. You're right, that should help.
Oh my god.
Wait, can you get it?
I'm trying.
Ow, ow, ow.
Player standing.
Sage, I'm so sorry about talking shit, but you have got to be the worst player I've ever.
Surely you haven't seen that many players, right?
Oh God, bro! Every time something bad happens to my friends and I'm not there, it always happens when I'm not there. And it just, if I was there, I would have been like, bish. First of all, what rank are you, mother trucker? Huh? Huh? What rank are you? All right. You must be also, you know, not Valorant high rankist if you're, you know, queuing up with said person that you're trash talking, idiot. She was actually crying? No way. Oh my God, my sweet poor baby angel. I will murder. Okay, I won't. I do realize I'm starting to say really inappropriate language since okay, I've always said inappropriate language, but I'm not gonna lie. The more I hang out with Hassan, the more I'm starting to say, like, I'm gonna kill myself. Like, I'm starting to say things that I shouldn't be saying like that, you know? Like, what does he say? I'm gonna kiss myself, he'll say that. I'm starting to pick up some really violent language. I've always said some really unhinged things, but it's becoming more unhinged. Also, when I was at my sister's bachelorette weekend party extravaganza, it was so embarrassing. I don't know if I told you guys this, but we were doing like this questionnaire thing. Like we're at a bar, we're all sitting around this table, we're drinking, and then someone asks a question, and then it goes around in a circle, blah, blah, blah. In front of all these normie girls, okay, there's 2 pregnant women. Half of them are married. Half of them are engaged. All of them, like 4.0 students. There's 12 of us. They're all just don't play video games. They're normies, real life people. I said monka. And I've never felt more embarrassed in my life. Because, you know, none of these girls know what monka means. And I said it the way that Myung says it. You know how she goes, monka. I was so embarrassed. You know how she goes, monka. That's how I said it. And I just was like, so flustered. I didn't even want to explain what that word was. I just pretended like I muddled it under my breath. It was so embarrassing.
My stomach is starting to digest itself.
Where am I?
Fuck!
No! Please, no! Like, I swear to God, no.
I missed it.
It's because a goose is a good guy.
I'm sorry, what?
Guys,
Wait, where?
I'm allergic.
Oh, here you go, here you go.
Give me in
No,
there.
wait.
Give me in there.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, did I skip the whole video? Where?
Okay.
Wait. Oh my God. I don't know why I clicked up here. I don't know why. I meant to go backwards.
My stomach is starting to digest itself.
Oh my gosh.
No! Please, no! Like, I swear to God, no.
Oh! Oh, yeah, I get it. It's because I paused it here and I saw the red bar in this clip. So I thought I was rewinding it here. Okay, see, there is a reason for the chaos. Okay? I'm excused. Right? Look, it's red in the clip. Oh my, thank goodness, because I really thought I was losing it extra.
If I see a chain of these, no.
Okay,
I'm valid. Thank goodness.
Look like to you.
Yes. Where? Oh,
This.
okay, yeah, what do you think it looks like?
A flower about to bloom to see its full potential. What about you?
Yeah, are you sure that's what you're thinking? I want you on a lie detector test tomorrow.
I miss being addicted to Pixelmon.
Plug, let's go!
What? Whoa, what the hell?
Do you have advice for someone who people go to for relationship advice, even though you're helplessly single? Hey, focus up on this one. Focus up on this one real
Well,
good.
I'm so focused
Yeah,
up.
I'll show you.
Yo, chill,
Are
man.
you talking about yourself?
Oh.
Oh. That's what
Oh
Janet sounds like.
no.
You don't know Janet. That's what she sounds like. Kind of out of breath a little bit too.
You just want to. Okay. Is there any more room?
Oh,
in there,
look at the
guys?
time.
Oh no, but there's no danger out there, right?
I mean,
Guys,
it looks
I don't
like a
think
horse to
my
me.
cat knows who I am.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Fuck.
You know, sometimes I like missionary, but then it depends on in which way I am, you know, because some angles hit differently. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I hate that I'm imagining John and Jody having sex right now. Can you, like, relax? What the fuck? Ah! Like, I like doggy. Where am I? Why am I here? Oh my god!
Missionary. I'm a vanilla.
Why do I have to talk? Why? I thought we were cooking, bro.
Yeah. Mine also curves
Go back
off to
to
the right.
cooking!
Which direction does John penis
Yeah,
go?
yeah.
Oh,
What would you say John's like favorite direction is? Like if he was Amelia Earhart, would he get lost in the Bermuda Triangle?
Okay. At least, you know what this clip tells me? This clip tells me that I'm not alone when it comes to oversharing information to random strangers on the internet. I feel like something happens to streamers where we get a little too comfortable. That actually, for even me, felt like TMI. But it's probably because, like, I know these people, and and they felt like they know each other, so they feel, they probably felt very comfortable sharing the intricacies of their sex dinglings going into the vahua. Oh my god!
Give me that. Go ahead. Haha, what's up, baby girl? What you doing? Toast, you sipping soup? I heard.
I can't listen to that. Oh my god. I wanted to puke. Oh my god. Yeah, I can't finish it out.
Oh my god, was that?
I'm gonna let the clip play for like 2 seconds before I put my earbuds back in.
Day soup.
Cause holy crap.
Make you feel.
I'm in such a chatty mood. I miss streaming so much that I'm just too happy that I keep pausing to talk about everything that reminds me of everything. I just want to say, like, listening to Ludwig try to frizz, it just makes you wonder how the heck he got Cutie. I wonder how that interaction went. Like, what did he do that Cutie was like, you know what? I'll boink this guy. What could he have possibly done?
Over now, right?
Cinco back to the Vava. If you know, you know. I'm gonna lure you.
I'm gonna be in someone's YouTube video.
I got udders.
Hi, YouTube. Welcome
No.
to someone's channel.
What, Abe? Say it.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Are you trying to say that you have
write a
udders?
nice thing below.
What the fuck?
Was it me? Come on.
All right, go ahead.
Sorry, what?
Go ahead. I hate that I was in the background of that talking about my udders.
Go on. What was the thing that we had to talk to Abe about?
Right. The thing.
Oh, the thing.
The thing was that, we just don't see you enough. That's it. We don't hang out enough.
That's
We
a
need
very
to-
valid. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I saw Abe, and this reminded me of yesterday. I forgot to tell you guys. I didn't stream yesterday, but very, very last minute, I was asked to fill for the premiere team again. Apparently, Foolish and Ludwig couldn't make it. So, myself and Stans filled, and we ended up winning again. It was awesome. I don't know if you guys watched like Abe's perspective or Ryan's perspective. I don't know who was streaming it, but yeah, we played yesterday. I didn't do that great, but I feel like my utility is what, they want me for. But yeah, Poggy Woggies won again. It was awesome. I feel like I should just be a permanent replacement for Ludwig. or foolish, to be fair, because right now I'm 2-0, which is awesome.
We need to get on that level.
Okay, first of all, I know that's wrong because I was just talking about how I was hanging out with Myung a lot lately, and she was like, "Oh."
Yeah, that was.
Why'd she say, oh?
Myung was definitely bullied.
The what stomping? The what?
Don't even worry about
Myung was for sure bullied in high school.
That's messed up.
Were you
Like I'm almost.
I could be the bully if I wanted
I'm almost
to be.
positive that Myung was for sure bullied in high school.
Were you?
Guys, I know how to tell if it was
What the?
How?
Steve, my goose has a special ability. When I hit this button... Oh.
Okay, Saikuno, go ahead.
Yeah, Saikuno, what happened?
It's because a goose is a good guy.
You're not gonna say a single thing. You hear me? You fucking hear me? You look at me. You're not gonna say a single thing, and you're gonna come with me right now. Get over here! No!
Oh my! I've never seen Tina so hostile.
And you stand there and you play the piano like a good duck. You hear me?
I'm a good guy.
Soup. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum.
Wait, Rae, go down. Rae, go down.
I'm gonna be Hokage one day.
The mic cut off. No.
Why is Tina red AF? It's my blush, I think.
Oh.
I don't know. I just
Adorable.
blush.
Oh,
Blush.
blush.
What, me?
Oh, Tina, you suck. God
We're missing one person.
dude!
She's blushing for real.
Is the blushing girl.
Camera say, I love you, chat.
That shit was so fun.
Pinch your little cheeks. Say, I love you guys. I love you guys. Come on, make a heart. I love you guys.
Love you guys.
I love you guys.
You're my favorite viewer.
You're my favorite
You're my
podcast.
viewer. You're my favorite viewer right there. You.
Me? Me? So cute.
Bye. See you later.
Oh my gosh! Speaking of Pokemon.